Yes. Wow. Oh my god, this is the Milady textbook. Okay. Cosmetology 14th edition. This textbook is even better than the one that I was using, the 13th edition, in cosmetology school. And I mean, I'm really looking forward to giving you guys information really accurate. And as you can see, we're right on the cover just to show the innovative new change. And I heard that this book covers a lot on the consultations, natural hair, listening to the customer, understanding what's actually valuable. The black is called Foundations. That is the workbook. Yes. They're going right into the first pages, career paths for cosmetology. In the original book, all they were talking about was the history on hair. We were talking about Egypt and the 1940s, and now I see they're going straight into the science and going straight into what are some jobs. I mean, that is a huge improvement. Yeah, going over the body in the first two chapters. Okay, the skin structure, the third chapter, skin diseases, such. Okay, nails, hair, covering it, wave patterns, hair pigment. You see a lot on salt bonds, hydrogen bonds, disulfide bonds. Yeah. Wow. Definitely an improvement. This is my first time really looking at this. They're showing that, wow, they didn't have this in the last book. They're showing the face shape, what haircuts go best for what shape. Yeah. Shampooing clients with disabilities. Wow. You see, they're going right into it. They're going right into doing hair. Yeah. That was always something that really was annoying in cosmetology school. You know, it took forever for us to finally get to the point where we were actually talking about clients, talking about hair. You know, it was just like, it was too much on history. It was too much on just random things, you know, and it just seemed like they were kind of BSing us. Oh wow, they're going into barbering. Yeah, because I mean, a lot of times, you know, when you're in the hair industry, you don't want to do women. You know, I mean, if you're a woman and you're around a whole bunch of women all day, trust me, you're going crazy. You want to do men's hair. They should, yeah. It's great that they're including that. Cutting curly hair, cutting straight hair, doing different layers. Yeah, they're literally doing showing haircuts in the book. Wow, yeah, this is everything that I was expecting last when I was in there, and that I walked out blind, had no idea. I mean, of course I knew, I remembered what I was taught, but you know, it would have been nice to have a book to leave school with. You know, we got a computer program. It seems like the school made all this stuff mandatory. We had to purchase a computer program textbook, and by the time we graduated, we couldn't even take it home. It wasn't even like it was like we were still able to use it while we were studying for our state board. It was like completely a ripoff. Wow, they're talking about locks in this book. How to do starter locks, curly methods, twist outs. Wow, guys, wrapping, hair wrapping. Yeah, they're going straight into how to do hair. Yeah, this is, weaving. How to do hair weaves and sew-ins. Oh my god. Oh my god. What a difference. What a difference. I'm like in shock right now. The color theory, everything. Oh my god, yeah. Everything that you need. Everything you need is in here. Cleansing. Yeah. And then oh my god, the best part is that they don't just waste time talking about skin, the whole book, like the last book. Yeah. I mean, first of all, if we wanted to be estheticians, we would be in esthetician school. So, I mean, while I like it when they cover some of the skin stuff, I don't like it when it's the whole book, you know, it's on skin conditions and stuff like that. We're not doing skincare, you know, we're talking about hair. You know, I want to know, but I don't. And then cosmetology covers hair, skin, nails. But let's be clear, most of us in the cosmetology school were learning hair, and you know, then some of us got nails after that. You know, but the skin thing, I mean, most of us we're gonna go to massage therapy, and we're gonna go into those things when we're trying to learn about that. Yeah, they go into the basics of how to care. Everything is in here, guys. Wow, awesome. I can't wait to cover this with you guys. The book has improved. I can just tell just by flipping through it right now. The book has improved. Wow. They definitely have listened to constructive criticism, because I can see, like, the things that I was complaining about, it definitely has been said. Time management, positive attitude. Yeah, this is stuff that you have to learn to manage when you're in a salon. Attitudes, personalities. That's why a lot of people cannot work with other professionals, because it's like nobody's professional. It's ironic, but yeah, they're going over everything. Client intake. Yeah, there's no excuses.